Here we will study that actual event Indo-Pak sport meet and a race of running, and especially that was that competition between Abdul Khalid and Milkha Singh. So let us begin with this. These people they waited for the race to begin, and a couple of Maulavis with flowing beards, skull caps, and carrying rosaries in their hands, they entered in that stadium, and they encircled Khalid. They blessed that Khalid and said that, "May Allah be with you." Here, see, that was actually their favoritism, and that was disliked by Milkha Singh. He shouted, he was angry with this incident or the experience of such type of favoritism by Maulavis. He shouted, he asked that Maulavi, or told that Maulavi Sahib, we too are the children of the same God. Then don't we deserve the same blessings? So this was that straightforwardness of this Milkha Singh, and we know that he was very simple and straightforward fellow. For a moment, all these Maulavis they were dumbstruck. That was shocking for them. And then one of them, very half-heartedly, said, "May God strengthen your legs too." So this was that religious hatred he found among those Maulavis even. There was pin drop silence as we stood at the starting line, he said. As the race was going to begin and these two participations were standing to start. The silence was there, that was oppressive even. The starter dressed in a white shirt and trousers and a red overall. White picked cap was there and a black shoe stood on a table behind us. So that person who was going to start the race was standing by the table, and he shouted, "On your marks," fired the gun, and the race began. So this is how that actual experience of race is there. The audience suddenly awoke and began to chant, shout, "Pakistan Zindabad, Abdul Khalid Zindabad." Khalid was ahead of Milkha Singh, but he caught up before they completed the first 100 meters. Then they were shoulder to shoulder, and surprisingly, Khalid seemed to slacken and he surged ahead as if on wings. Means here at this time, Milkha Singh surged ahead, means that Khalid. He finished 200 meters about 10 yards ahead of Khalid and clocking just within 20.7 seconds. That equaled his own world record. So in this way, we find that Milkha Singh won the race, and he finished 200 meters within just 20.7 seconds. And Milkha Singh's coach at that time was Ranbir Singh, and the manager and all team members leapt to his feet in happiness. So all these people they came to meet Milkha Singh, and Milkha Singh was embraced by all these people, lifted by these people on their shoulders. All these were very happy. They expressed their happiness vocally as well as physically. And it was joyful moment for India too. And it was a terrible tragedy for Pakistani. Khalid himself was so unhappy that he lay on the ground weeping pitifully. He just cried at that moment. But see, Milkha Singh, his attitude very sportive one, and Milkha Singh patted that Khalid's back and tried to console him, tried to tell him not to cry, and by saying that victory and defeat were part of the same game and should not be taken to heart. So this is how the greatness of Milkha Singh we can see, and how sportive he is we can see. But he was too humiliated by the fact that he had been defeated before the eyes of his own countrymen Khalid was very unhappy and he didn't stop crying. After the race, Milkha Singh ran a victory lap of that stadium while loudspeakers announced, "The athlete running before you is Milkha Singh. He does not run, he flies. His victory will be recorded in Pakistani sports history," and we confer the title of Flying Sikh on him. So it was that very, very glad moment for both Indians and this Milkha Singh. Very glad moment. It was General Ayub Khan who coined the title Flying Sikh when he had congratulated Milkha Singh, saying him that, "अरे भाई, तुम दौड़े नहीं उड़े हो. You do not run but fly." As he passed, Milkha Singh passed in front of the women's section. All those ladies even lifted their burqas from their faces and they saw him because they wanted to meet this winner personally. And in this way, that event was widely reported in Pakistani press. And so, with this victory, Milkha Singh became the Flying Sikh, and the title became synonymous with his name all over the world. So in this way, we have movies also on the same title. There are two movies, Bhag Milkha Singh Bhag and The Flying Sikh. So we can see and we can enjoy that very life story of Milkha Singh, how it started from poverty, adversities, and how he became hero of India, and very straightforward, simple, innocent, true person by heart. So such type of ideas should be there if you want to make choice of your career, means in sport sector, so sport field. So this is very proud moment even for we people, and definitely with this he became the hero of our nation. So in this way, this chapter is over. Let us stop here.